Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
and if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangled just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate giving you hair combs,
keep watching!
Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. The night before, her hair had been detangled with TM Hair Products Smooth Through Detangler, and I had a picture of that on the screen. And then it was shampooed and deep conditioned again with TM Hair Products Smooth Through Detangler, and blow dried. The detangler was rinsed completely from her head, and then I blow dried her hair. I have not added any oil or anything. We'll be using the Perfect Assist styling aid to moisturize her hair. We're giving her a protective style using crochet braids, and crochet braids are an excellent protective style. However, when you have very dry, cottony hair like she does, you need a great moisturizer, and that's where the Perfect Assist styling aid comes in. It's very moisturizing, but it isn't greasy, and that's what I love about it. It's pretty thick and pretty creamy, but it's not greasy. So as I add the Perfect Assist styling aid to her hair, and that's where you can see where her hair is growing in, it's really filling in very well in such a short amount of time because I keep it moisturized with the Perfect Assist styling aid. And I'm going to show you some other angles of where she cut her hair, but it's going to be another clip where I can show you better how I add the Perfect Assist styling aid to her root right here. I add the Perfect Assist styling aid to the root of her hair because as I braid, I want to moisturize her hair from the root to the tip. So I add it on both sides of her hair, and then if your hair is really, really dry, you can add it to the tips. But this moisturizing styling aid is going to keep her hair moisturized throughout the duration of this hairstyle. Now, as I tell you guys, sometimes what you can do if your hair is very dry and you have the time, this moisturizer, the Perfect Assist styling aid, is a great hot oil treatment that you don't rinse out. It does a wonderful job for very dry hair. I could sit her under the dryer after I do this braid pattern for about 10 or 15 minutes and let all the butters and oils melt into her hair, and it is a fantastic moisturizer, but it does not leave the hair greasy. That's what I love about it. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and get her hair, her braid pattern done, and I'm going to get her crochets in. And I'm just following a zigzag pattern up and down. As you can see here, there's another angle where her hair is filling in where she had cut it. And eventually I'm going to have to cut her hair down low. But I want that part to grow out a little bit before I cut it down low and start over from scratch. This is her finished braid pattern. Her hair is still wet. That's why the styling aid is still white, because her hair is still wet. As you can see, her hair does not look greasy. Okay guys, this is where we are so far. I've put them all in the back. I'm going to trim and clean all of this up, but my daughter was like, well, why don't you leave it like this? And so she hasn't had a chance to see it. So I was going to put all of these up front here and give her 2 little buns or whatever. But I told her, I said, well, if you like it like this, then we can, next week, we can add the 2 buns if she wanted to kind of extend the life of the hairstyle. So she has not seen it. So you are going to see her first reaction. So if she likes it this way, we'll leave it like this for a week. And then next week, we'll add the ones in the front and give her 2 buns. And maybe add some ribbon. Okay, you can turn.
No way. I love it.
So you like it?
Uh-huh.
So we'll leave it like this week, and then next week we'll add your two buns, and we have to find you a ribbon to put around here. Y'all, when she got out of my chair, I didn't do nothing. I did not do the front. This was the finished look. We added ribbons. I trimmed it up and cleaned it up and made it look kid-friendly. And that was it, you guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.